How to get slabs in Township. So here in Township, in order to get slab, first of all, let's know what slab is. Slabs are basically your construction material that you can find in barn. So once you unlock to certain capacity level, so in your barn you will be available with those slabs that looks like certain kinds of concrete or steels. So in order to get them, there are different ways. So there are train deliveries, shipping crates, events are those ways how you can obtain those slabs. So one of the main sources of slab is from train that delivers construction materials. In this train pathway, you'll be able to see train once you unlock, of course, unlock the certain level, and you'll be available with the train. Also in tool exchange, also in later levels, materials like slabs can be exchanged for, or used in the tool exchange mechanism as well. Also in selling excess materials to balance what train gives. So some players suggest that if you have too many bricks or glass relative to slabs, the game's algorithm will preferentially give more of those materials, so you may sell or reduce those stockpiles to encourage the game to choose slabs more often. So that's how you obtain slab. There are also different ways. So you can maximize slabs by working on the community building, managing your inventory, keeping an eye on event rewards, take the community building requirements ahead of times. Also have patience and persistence. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.